Here's an example of long division. We want to divide the polynomial 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 23x plus 9 all by this 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is known as the divisor. The top one here, this big ugly one, is called the dividend, and we want to come up with the quotient and the remainder. So we'll set up the long division, and the first step is we need to multiply this 2x. We'll get to the minus 3. The minus 3 is actually more important, but we first start off with the first term. We want to multiply 2x by something to come up with 2x cubed. Well, to do that, we're going to multiply by x squared. When we multiply, though, we have to be careful. We've got to distribute it. It's going to hit the 2x, but it's also going to hit the negative 3. So we're going to get x squared times 2x, which is 2x cubed. We're going to get x squared times negative 3, which is negative 3x squared. And then when we come down here, we're going to subtract away what we just multiplied down. And when we subtract, that's going to change the sign to a plus. So we're going to end up with 7x squared plus 3x squared, better known as 10x squared. And just like regular long division, we're going to pull down the next thing. So that would be negative 23x. And then start all over again. What times 2x is going to give us 10x squared? Well, that's going to be 5x. So I'm going to multiply by a positive 5x. It's important to either say positive or negative after that first term. Distributing it down, 5x times 2x, that'll give us that 10x squared. And 5x times negative 3, that's going to give us a negative 15x. And we're going to subtract this away, which basically means change all the signs down below. These two will cancel, they better. This was really a positive 15, so that's a negative 8 as our result. So this will be negative 8x, and we'll bring down the next number, which is positive 9. And then lastly, what times 2x is going to give us a negative 8x? Well, that would be negative 4. So negative 4 times 2x will give us the negative 8x. Negative 4 times negative 3, that'll give us a positive 12. And then we do the same thing and subtract away. And this will be a negative 12, and 9 minus 12 is negative 3. The final solution, quotient and remainder together, would be x squared plus 5x minus 4, and then we have to tag on the remainder, which is negative 3, but that's going to be over our divisor, 2x minus 3. And that's the full solution.